Hey guys, it's Harry here, back again this weekend from Sycamore Peterborough with our approved used BMW of the weekend. And this week's pick is this beautiful example of the BMW 7 Series in the 745LE formation. So that means it's both a hybrid and has the long wheelbase as well, giving absolutely phenomenal legroom in the back and unparalleled comfort. The car itself is finished in the beautiful Dravit grey, and that contrasts really nicely with the ivory interior, very luxurious, found on the inside. We've got 20-inch alloys on here, rear seat entertainment, Harman Kardon sound, and so much more. So without further ado, let's take a look at this car in the form of a nice relaxing cinematic this week. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So there we have it, an absolutely gorgeous example of the BMW 745LE and its long wheelbase formation and hybrid formation as well. Having covered just under 28,500 miles and absolutely loaded to the brim with those beautiful, luxurious features, this car can be yours. All you've got to do is give us a call this weekend on 01733 70 70 70 to speak to our friendly sales team, who'll be more than happy to arrange a test drive on this vehicle so you can experience the pure luxury of the BMW 7 Series for yourself as well. I'm Harry from Sycamore Peterborough. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, make sure you give it a like and share it to some of your friends as well so they can appreciate the beauty and comfort of this lovely BMW 745LE. Have a fantastic weekend and take care. We look forward to welcoming you to our showroom very soon.